Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Mr. Beast Burger, so let's get started. To draw this cute burger, let's first start by drawing a big oval for the eyes. So let's come right here and start with a big curve going up. And bring it down and connect all the way at the bottom. And back. There. Now that big oval end, I'm going to come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another one. Nice and big. There. So my two big ovals in, I'm going to come back into this space about right here past the center, and I'm going to draw a curve. So I'm coming down, and then about right here, I'm going to break it up, kind of like a Pac-Man, and then bring it back in. And then let's come back and we're going to shade that all in. So I'll draw this one first. So same thing over here, and connect. So I'm going to come in and just shade this really quickly. There. Okay, so now I have these big, humongous eyes, and let's come, well, actually, you know what? Let's come in between the eyes, and about right here, I'm just going to draw a sweet smile. So I'm just going to draw a curve and cap it off. Then from there, let's go and say about right in this area around the eyes, we're going to draw a curve to connect the eyes, and this is going to be the top of our burger bun. So I'm just going to imagine this is coming through the eye, so about right here. And same thing over here. So let's see here. Let's make my curve a little bit wider. So I'm just going to drag this point across so I know where it's coming out of the other side. And we're just going to bring this bun down. So we're just drawing a top bun. So back and forth. And let's see here, so about right there, let's bring it down a little bit more. Okay, come in and just to make sure I'm about the same level on the other side. So about right here, then I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a big curve all the way across. There, so we have our top bun in. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw the first layer. So this part is going to come out right here, and we're just going to drizzle our way across. So we're going to come up and down. So then about right here, I'm going to go across, and then towards the center area, I'm going to bring it down a little bit more, then come back up. And then come back here and just connect everything. There. And then the second layer right here is just some lettuce. So this part is going to be a little bit more angular. So I'm going to bring this out. So I'm just going to zigzag this more. So same thing over here. Just make it a little bit slightly angular and just go all the way across. Hopefully you have fun with this. Doesn't have to be any exact. You just want to draw in all the layers, kind of like add a curve. Then from there we need to draw this. This is the dark layer. It's going to be black. So I'm just going to pop this out with a curve. This is part of the body right here. Then let's see. Just make sure about the same level. So now I'm looking on my camera. I think I'm a little bit lopsided. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to wobble my way through. Just go across. Okay, so then from there, we're going to go ahead and in this area right here, we're going to bring down a curve. So this is going to be the bottom bun and here as well. So it's going to straighten out a tiny bit and come in. There. And then let's go ahead and connect all the way across. There. So just a little bit more angular just to finish the whole burger. And then in this area right here, I'm just going to come right here and draw a curve all the way across to finish off our bottom bun. There. So hopefully that looks like a hamburger now. And before I forget, I'm going to come in here and just add some of these little dots right in this area to make it look like a hamburger bun. And here as well. Just here and there. Oh, okay, I'll leave it before I mess it up. And then now to draw the, let's see, let's come over here and draw, oh, I almost forgot. Sorry, one more thing. Right over the eye, we need to draw a curve. And let's thicken it up. And same thing over here. You guys are probably screaming at me not to forget this, right? Okay, there. Then let's come about right here. We're going to draw some hands. So kind of like in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw one curve. I'm going to thicken it up with another curve. And about right here, let's connect it. So I'm going to curve, kind of like these Mickey Mouse hands. Then we're going to come right about here and we're going to draw a thumb going up. So curve in with one thumb. And then our fingers are going to come down. So we're just going to draw one loop, two loops, and then another one. So it's just kind of coming curving in as we draw, and then curve right here. And you can just kind of wobble in if you like to connect everything. So same thing on this side. Let's come about right here where the other hand should go. About here, we draw a curve. About the same thickness, so about right here. And just like the other side, let's just draw a curve right here. And then this hand is kind of more opened up. So let's go right here and we're going to draw a thumb. And then the fingers are going to come out. So let's go over here. And we're going to draw 1, 2, and 3, bring it down and in. Oops, a little too much. And once again, you can wobble your way in. And then right about here, where the palm is, you draw a curve and then just connect the fingers to it. There. Okay, so now that we have the hands in, let's draw the feet. So the feet are a little bit more complicated because they have these very detailed sneakers. So let's come about right here. Just going to draw 2 angle lines. So I'm going to kind of center it. So about right here and here. So my 2 legs in. So let's work on this side first. So this one's going to come down a little bit more. And then right about here, I'm going to draw this curve, give a little bit dip, and then come right back. Then I'm going to come right here and pop this part out. So this is kind of like the heel. And then in this area right here, I'm going to continue this curve coming down. And we're going to pop out this little tab. And then connect it. It'll all come together, don't worry. So then come right about here we're going to pop this out for our shoe and bring it down nice and thick. So then right about here, we're going to draw another layer, pop it out, and then just connect everything. So hopefully I'm helping with you with this. It's a little bit complicated, but I'm trying to break it apart. And then right here, we're just going to draw a curve coming down here, and then connect it with a curve right here for the sole. And then this part right here is where the lace is. We're just going to follow that and connect. And once again, just drawing 2 lines right there, and then some lines going this way on the sole. And then of course, can't forget the lightning graphics right here. Very important for the shoes. So shade that all in there. So hopefully I helped you with that. And then of course, I almost forgot, let's come right here and draw the socks. Okay, so let's do the same thing on the other side, hopefully. So I'm going to come down and right here, just heel, and then another curve. So it's a little bit easier. You have something to follow. And then we're going to bring this down and then draw the tab that pops out, connect it, and then it's going to come out about right here and down, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect everything at an angle. And so let's come back over here, curve, and connect. So now I'm looking at this, I better pop this out a little bit more. That's why it looked weird. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the lace part. And almost forgot, right here, we need to draw that little dip. And then the logo. So zigzag, zigzag, and connect. And shade it in. And the last thing is some of these lines. There, okay, so hopefully I helped you draw that. I didn't make it too complicated. And last but not least, I'm gonna give MrBeast Burger here a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute MrBeast Burger. I really hope you love how this turned out and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.